welcome back. So today we are going to cook king crab. King crab. So for this recipe is very simple. We're going to steam them. So I have a pot with water. So I'm just going to place my king crab in there. So here we go, our king crab. I'm just gonna place it in a pot. Very simple, very easy recipe. And because it's just me, I just have one. That's more than enough for me. I probably won't even eat it all. Who knows? We'll see. So I'm gonna take my Obe season. And I'm just gonna sprinkle a little Obe season on it. And I have my pot on high, so I have it on 8, 9. And I'm gonna sprinkle just a little of the Tony's seasoning on it. Just a little bit because it's a little salty, you ask me. So just a tad. Okay, and we're just gonna allow that to steam cook. So our king crab is in our pot, and I had to break them so that I can get them in the pot because they're so big. And like I said, I have water down below. And I'm just going to allow them to steam for about 20, 25 minutes. And as stated before, my eye is on high. So we're just going to allow that to cook a little bit. So we're going to check on our crab legs. They are pretty much done. Steamed all the way through. So now all you have to do is eat and enjoy. So I'm just gonna take them out of the pot. And there you go. Steamed king crab. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my steamed king crab. And as always, thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.